contextualized.
Madam.
And you see that how Professor Apparao, the way he tried to kill, in fact Apparao is responsible for Rohit's death. And I am sure that everyone in this group will agree for that. And you know, you need to know few more things what is happening in Hyderabad University. In Hyderabad University, they are trying to kill the entire students, movement, how it is, it shaped for, not less than 25 years. And here, the state is much more responsible. That, the central government is involved in this, where, the HRD ministry has written 5 times letter to the Vice Chancellor, so that how seriously this, this has been taken over. And then it's in fact, it's a collective kind of, responsibility that both state government and even central government, state government is responsible precisely because the recent police attack on the universities. Look, is it the way that you treat your students? Is it the way that, the police brutality on students is so much so, you see that even media has been barred. And there is no accessibility to media. In university, you have stopped, food for the students. You blocked, water. And such an inhuman, thing that you can do. You have stooped down to such an extent there where you are trying to kill the entire, students, struggle. And it's not only that Hyderabad University student struggle is there. Now the entire country is awakening. And the students are really realizing and they are trying to question. Look, we are here to question, we are here to correct this democracy. This democracy is traveling in a different direction and we are here to correct this democracy. And our collective appeal is that, even from the Joint Action Committee Delhi, we appeal Hyderabad University to not to give up struggle until Apparao is removed as Vice Chancellor. That is our first demand. Our second demand is that, look, the cases that has been, implicated on the students and the faculty are so nice. Professor Ratnam is such a good human being. He was my teacher and he is the one who really stand with students. And instead of taking him into confidence and talk to the students that you kept him 1 week in the jail. Look, you started playing game with the fire and this fire will burn you into ashes. This fire will burn you into ashes, remember. And the state is supposed to know, look, you are supposed to treat the students as your own students. And is it the way that, you use the force on students? It is condemnable. And we are all, on behalf of Joint Action Committee Delhi, that we request Hyderabad University not to give up the struggle. And we are here to extend our support till Apparao is removed as Vice Chancellor. And that is where this struggle, we all mobilized here together. And our demands, until our demands are, are accepted, I request the President of India to intervene precisely because we are all on behalf of the committee. We request the President of India to intervene precisely because we have lost faith on the state. This state has lost faith among us. We have lost faith on the state. So please, my dear President, as the capacity of the Chancellor, please intervene in this matter. First, remove Professor Apparao as Vice Chancellor and do justice for the entire struggle which we are doing in the entire country. And JB once again asking me to come and speak here. Thank you very much.